Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So finally there is a PIL in Supreme Court in order to put a stay order on the MCC counseling or delay the MCC counseling until the state round 2 gets over. So if you remember, there is a rule for this year counseling which is mentioned in the prospectus, and it says that there is portal made by MCC, and the portal will have record of those candidates who got seat allotted and joined in the state round 2, and those candidates won't be allowed to participate in all India mop-up round. And this rule is is to avoid the seat blocking, unnecessary seat blocking. Suppose you get seat in state round 2 and you apply for all India mop-up also, so you get seat in all India mop-up as well. So you are holding 2 seats. Now you are joining a state round 2, then the seat which is allotted to you in all India mop-up will be vested. Okay, and the candidates who are deserving the seat won't be given the opportunity. So the right candidates should be given the right opportunity, and the seat should not be blocked after round 2. So that's the motto behind this rule. But due to this from last year, they have implemented the counseling process to should be happening in sequence. It means first all India round 1, then a state round 1, then all India round 2, then a state round 2, and then all India mop-up, then state mop-up. So all India mop-up must happen after all the states have completed their round 2 and the joining is already done, so that the portal will have the details of the candidate who joined in state round 2, and those candidates should not be allowed to participate in mop-up round or do the choice filling. Otherwise it will cause unnecessary seat blocking. So this was a genuine rule, and the current process, MCC is keep on doing many mistakes. First mistake they have done in round 1, they cancelled the allotment due to simple mistakes. They couldn't maintain the details of the colleges with address and all, like so you already know. And now again they are conducting the counseling, and they have made the portal, and due to portal only last time they delayed the counseling. Okay, now they are doing the same mistake again. So it's very genuine on a strong case in Supreme Court, and it should go in the favor of candidates. The counseling should delay, okay, or it should the Supreme Court should put a stay order on it, okay, and they should allow all the state counseling, at least most of that counseling, to complete the round 2, and the joining should complete. Then only the all India mop-up should resume its progress. Okay, so the Supreme Court the date of hearing in Supreme Court regarding this PIL is on 7th. So maybe that day some decision might be taken in order to put a stay on that court case. So most likely it will be in the favor of candidates whomever have done the PIL, whoever filed the PIL against this process is complete violation of Supreme Court rules. Okay, because there is no point in doing the counseling this way if you have ready the portal and all such things, because it's difficult to maintain synchronize state counseling from different states in particular time frame. If you remember, there was a time frame given that state counseling will complete on this date, round 2, and then all India mop-up will start from this date until this date, but it's not followed. I'll tell you which are the states who are delayed in the counseling process. Pondicherry, Karnataka, they are still in the process of completing the first round. Allotment is done, and the reporting is until 7th. So you can understand such a big state having so many colleges and so much of delay, so it can create so much of blocking in all India mop-up. Okay, Haryana state is also delayed. Okay, and then Himachal Pradesh. Okay, Rajasthan is has completed its process on time. Okay, Gujarat state is also delayed. Kerala. Okay, so there are many states where the round 2 is still going on, or the round 2 result is not published yet. Okay, so they should make sure that the state round 2 should complete. This PIL was expected like 2-3 days back. Okay, but it came late, but definitely it will make an impact. And once this PIL gets positive result in the decision, in the favor of candidates, then we can think of better cutoff and in the mop-up round. So many seats are there, so candidates are very optimistic about positive shift. But at the same time, you have to seeing the last year trend in the mop-up round, many good rankers have left their seats, knowing that their seats will be still available in mop-up round. So if they are not able to get better seats, at least they will be getting the same seat once again. So why there is nothing wrong in trying again. So there are more seats this time compared to last year in mop-up, but more candidates are also there. More importantly, more candidates with good rank. Okay. So this is very important for the counseling, because it has to happen. The way it was going up to All India round 2, it was okay, but after All India round 2, it has to get synchronized. Otherwise, there is no point in making the sequential counseling, because this time it will matter a lot. Okay, so I will keep you updated with all this is progress and all, and I'll put a separate video where I'll discuss like what's going on in the state wise and which state stands where, and where you have the opportunity, and how you can get a seat in low score. Okay, so thanks for watching. You can subscribe this channel, you can join our Telegram group, and this number 9319128677, you can call us, or you can avail our paid counseling guidance as well. So that's it from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.